What's that? Is there somebody out there? It totally sounded like somebody like fidgeting with a key.
Oh shit!
What the fuck?
I think the car just went out.
Did it? Remember I told him, no! The light's on in there. I told him to turn off the lights earlier.
I just got the chills, bro.
What was that noise? But you heard that. It's like somebody fidgeting with one of those old keys.
I hope this didn't hit the wire or something.
It can't be electricity. Why is that light on? Why is that light on?
I hope this didn't trip the wire.
I'm telling you, if it was the whole electrical grid, everything would be off.
Dude, I saw it and heard it. Wait, let's check downstairs too, though.
But you heard that noise before the lights went out. It sounded like somebody was like fidgeting with